Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy life hack: how to make your own DIY stylus for your touchscreen devices. Ever find yourself without a stylus when you need one? Or maybe you just want to save some money? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore 3 simple methods using items you probably already have around the house. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. First up, we have the classic aluminum foil and cotton swab method. You'll need a cotton swab, also known as a Q-tip, and a piece of aluminum foil. First, take your cotton swab and dampen the tip with a little water. Not too much, you don't want it dripping. Just a nice, moist tip will do. Now, take your aluminum foil and wrap it tightly around the cotton swab, covering the cotton tip completely. Make sure the foil makes good contact with the cotton and wraps around the plastic stick. This is crucial for conductivity. Once you're done wrapping, your stylus is ready to go. Next, let's try the AAA battery method. This one's even easier. You just need a standard AAA battery. That's it. The battery itself, when used correctly, can act as a stylus on many touchscreens. Be sure the plus side of the battery, the one with the little bump, is the part you'll be using to touch the screen. Finally, we'll try the old pen and conductive foam tip. Find an old pen, preferably one with a tip that can be easily accessed. You can dismantle the pen carefully to get to the barrel of the pen. Next, you will need a conductive foam. These conductive foam tips can often be found in old electronics packaging or online. You can cut or shape the foam tip to fit the end of your pen, ensuring it makes good contact. If you don't have conductive foam, you can try using a small piece of sponge instead, although the effectiveness may vary. Alright, let's test these styluses out. I'm going to grab my tablet and open up a drawing app. First, we'll try the aluminum foil and cotton swab. As you can see, it works. The drawing is a little imprecise, but it definitely gets the job done. Next, let's try the AAA battery. Again, it works. The response is pretty good, and it's surprisingly accurate. Finally, we'll test the pen with the foam tip. This stylus works with good precision, as good as a professional stylus. The precision is the best from the 3, and it allows for much more controlled strokes. So, there you have it. 3 easy and effective ways to make your own DIY stylus at home. Whether you're drawing, taking notes, or just browsing, these methods can save you a lot of hassle. The aluminum foil and cotton swab method is great for quick use. The AAA battery is easy and requires only one item, and the pen with the foam tip allows for much more accurate work. Experiment with them and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful life hacks. See you in the next video.